city wants like smaller dogs, or do you know what I mean? Like it's all just like so slippery and subjective. But yeah, I would say that would be the most positive outcome for like that dog or cat or rabbit or whatever to be adopted into a good home, as opposed to being killed. Yeah.
All right. Thank you again, Christina.
Yeah.
Now to introduce our final panelist for this morning. Nicholas Backman is a second-year law student at the Faculty of Law in McGill University. Lifelong Montrealer, he is a member of the Student Animal Legal Defense Fund here at McGill, and animal law is one of his great passions. His talk is called Rabideau versus City of Ravine, Cases in Animal Law.
So thanks very much. So today I wanted to give a survey of some of the relevant issues concerning animals in tort law, and I thought that the best way to do this would be through a practical application to give you an idea of how a situation would arise in which an animal guardian would go to the courts to claim damages for the loss of a pet. And there's specifically two issues that I want to present. One is the status of animals as property in the law, and the second is recovery for emotional distress based on loss of companionship and bystander recovery from the perspective of the animal guardian. So the case I'm going to present is called Rabideau versus the City of Racine, and it's a case from the state of Wisconsin that took place in 2001, and the question to start off is, well, why this case? And there's a couple of reasons. The first is that obviously it gives a very good, it's a comprehensive survey of the issues I wanted to talk about. But why not something Canadian? The answer is, well, there's a complete lack of Canadian animal law jurisprudence to the point that there isn't any appellate court's commentary to give precision and clarity to the state of the law. I think one of the reasons for this is because either animal guardians in Canada don't know if they have a cause of action, and a lot of disputes might be settled out of court, meaning that we wouldn't be able to see a transcript of how the judge would have decided the case. And another factor is that an American decision would likely be persuasive, if not binding, on a Canadian court. So first of all, off the top, does anyone have an idea, in terms of animal